Tiki just gifted me this smokeless fire pit and I am so excited to put this to the test. I'm gonna put it in this covered area so I can enjoy my backyard all winter long. Let's unbox this and check it out. The packaging is super inviting. I'm gonna get the fire pit, cover, some wood, and the hardware to put it all together. And setup is really straightforward. All I really need to do is put in the legs. It is such a beauty. I am so excited. When you take it out of the box, these are the legs. They're gonna be stuck up against the bottom of it, and you just need to pull them apart and then take off all the cardboard. And the legs are super sturdy, really well made, and have very obvious points where we'll screw it into the smokeless fire pit. So put this on down. Now you can see very clearly where these are supposed to line up. And then you can just twist it right into place. And they make it so easy. You have the tools and hardware to put this all together. And just like that, it's ready to enjoy. And it is such a beauty, and it is definitely designed for all the smoke to be pulled in through all these openings, which is what helps it be more smokeless. And then it has this absolutely gorgeous ash pan that goes into this bottom opening. So that's ready to go. And then it has this cone. Now you don't have to use the cone, but the cone is designed to optimize the airflow, which helps reduce the smoke. And before I light it up, I want to show that it comes with this wonderful waterproof cover to keep it protected when not in use. It has this really nice elastic drawstring to keep it in place, and it is made to perfectly fit your Tiki fire pit. Now you can use natural firewood, or Tiki makes these amazing real wood pellet wood packs. All you do is put it over the top and light it up. Let's do it. And within 5 minutes, I should have a fantastic fire. This is one stunningly hot fire. I had no idea how hot it was gonna be. I am in love. I highly recommend this. I love how smokeless it is. I love the heat coming off of it. It makes me want to stay out here all afternoon.